I'm going to show you how to create an insanely profitable TikTok shop that requires you to create zero content. Now, before I go on, I want you to know that the old game on Amazon is dead. Amazon changes its rules constantly, traffic patterns shift overnight, and sellers who are relying on Amazon PPC alone are getting crushed. The winners in Amazon and the winners in e-commerce in general build a perpetual sales machine that runs 24/7. No matter what Amazon does, you will not be affected. So let me introduce you to my perpetual sales machine. And I call this my PSM 2.0 because I've been running this perpetual sales machine for about 10 years now. And this is just another reiteration of that and an advancement of it. So TikTok shop, what do we need to do for that? So for the first 6 months, you're going to focus exclusively on your best selling product. This is going to help you get established with the TikTok shop platform, the Seller Central platform, and how to do this whole strategy. After that 6 months, and after you've nailed that and learned TikTok Seller Central inside and out, you can then start introducing complementary products. Think about what fits in the same niche as the current niche that you're in right now. Whether that be, an example of this would be if you sell a protein powder, your next product would be like a creatine or like a pre-workout or something like that. Now, what kind of investment do you need? So to get started on TikTok shop, you need to establish what's called a gross merchandise volume, or a GMV. This is absolutely essential for attracting quality affiliates, and you need to invest in this to make a return, just like you did with your Amazon business, just like you did with your e-commerce business. You need to do the same with TikTok. So I want to break down this initial investment for you. The biggest chunk is going to be your number one, your inventory, but then secondly, it's going to be giving away a bunch of products. What we want to do is give away about 100 units. It just depends on your product price. This is for a $30 product because we want to get your GMV for your store up to about $3,000. Now, why do we do this? Again, we generate that initial rush of revenue sales, and most importantly, sales. The most important part is reviews, is you're getting social proof. That activity qualifies your shop for better affiliate recruitment, like I mentioned earlier. Now, when you factor in all these associated costs, inventory, and giving away these units, you're going to invest about $10,000 to $20,000 in initial investment. That's in inventory and giving away and hiring these creators and everything. And then after that, we're then going to go into the seed phase. So let me jump into that part. So once you've successfully reached that $3,000 in GMV threshold, the affiliate flywheel is officially initiated. This is a scaling phase where we leverage all the creator content for paid advertising. And this will create perpetual sales, and it drives massive growth across all your sales channels, not just your TikTok shop. Now, I want to go over the mechanics of this. Affiliates are incentivized with a tiered commission based on the traffic source they generate. For organic traffic, we're going to pay them a generous 20 to 30%. This rewards creators for genuine content, but also for creating viral content as well. But we don't end there. For paid traffic, we also pay them around 8 to 10%. This will incentivize them to factor in making great videos that perform great on ads as well, because they'll earn either way. And what this does is it creates this flywheel effect where once they start seeing commissions coming in from your brand, better affiliates will start building and running more videos for you. And then we can take those videos and pull it into our GMV Max campaigns, which is TikTok's ad platform. Now, how do we do this? We pretty much give away 30 to 100 units of your product per week in order to get creators constantly building. But it doesn't just happen where you give away 30 units, you get 30 videos. You actually you give away 30 units and you get about 5 videos, and then you get 10 videos, and then you get 20 videos, and you get 30. And then as affiliates start seeing your brand as an authority in the TikTok space, then you're going to get more than one video from them. So 1 unit given away, 5 to 20 videos from motivated affiliates. And this cycle just repeats. More videos, you can pull it into your ads, which creates more ads, which creates more sales, which then gets more creators and higher end creators in the back end. Now, this is just a simple 3-step process: creator action, brand action, ad launch. And you just keep doing that over and over again. So let's take a look at this flywheel and what it looks like. So you're going to run ads. You're going to have content creators. You're going to give them a unit. They're going to create a video for you. After they create that video, you are going to promote it with TikTok ads. TikTok ads and those videos are going to create sales, which monetizes your store. After you make more money, you're going to then be able to hire more creators by giving away more units. And so this cycle just continues, and it scales exponentially as long as you have the inventory to do so. And so you're going to increase your capital to reinvent more content creators, and it just keeps going round and round. So let me show you a couple of results. Results not typical. This is a client of ours. After about 13 weeks, so this is around weeks 9 through 13, we were able to get him to over $1 million million run rate. So $1 million run rate is about $21,000 per week. And so we're spending 8 to make 16, spending 9 to make 21, spending 9 to make 25 at a 2.8 ROAS. Your ROAS is going to be lower at the beginning, and then we'll increase it as you start getting more videos. But you can see here 21, 67, 87, 104 videos. So videos have exponentially increased as we've continued to give away units. But what you're not seeing on this is that his Amazon sales are up 40% year over year as a result of our PPC strategy, but also a result of us scaling him on TikTok, because 50% of people are going to buy on TikTok Shop. The other 50% are going to go buy over on Amazon. Here's the first 4 weeks on a very niche products in the chicken coop space. First week, we did about $600 in sales, and then it's kind of scaled a little bit from there to about $1,300. So that's the first 4 weeks. But again, I wanted to show you this because video is created 0, 4, 6, 31. So you can see that's increased quite a bit. So what does that flywheel look like? It looks like this. So this is our entire perpetual sales machine. What I went over is perpetual sales machine 2.0, which is this part. So we have TikTok. We hire creators to promote our TikTok shop. The overflow gets us more Amazon sales. We also send TikTok sale, or if they see your content on TikTok, they're going to go straight to Amazon to buy as well. This is our other perpetual sales machine where we send Google ads direct to Amazon, Google ads to a blog post to Amazon, and then we also get email addresses as well. This works incredibly well. And so what should you do next now? So if you haven't yet, go to profitablepineapple.com/TikTok. And what you'll see is you'll see a checkout link. Checkout, if you want us to do this for you, then click that button. And then what you'll do is you'll deposit a refundable deposit. Now, why do we have a deposit on this if you're jumping on a quote unquote onboarding sales call? Because we're getting so much interest in this and we're filling up so fast that we had to get rid of the tire kickers. And there's a lot of you out there, I'm sorry, but you'll check out below, you'll do a refundable deposit. If you decide this isn't for you, we'll give you a full refund. After you do that checkout, there will be a short form for you to fill out. After that short form, you'll then schedule an onboarding call with us. And like I said, if it's not right for you, or we see that your product isn't necessarily a fit, we'll give you that full refundable deposit back. We'll give you the full refund there. And just for jumping on the call with us, I'm actually going to give you my TikTok sales Tsunami course. We charge $497 for that. You're going to get it absolutely free for taking the time to jump in on us. So click that link down below, and then we'll see you on the other side.